deserve to choose for themselves.
I couldn't imagine being in a situation like this with these guys. I mean, there's one thing to see the movie of the Transformers, but then there's another thing looking at this.
I think it's my rear axle.
Well, hang on to your crankshaft. I'm shifting into overdrive.
They've gone underground. We'll never catch them now. We better report back to Megatron.
See, that was our childhood, you know what I'm saying? And I still enjoy Transformers. I really enjoy it. But you know what? There were so many times, there was a time, right, where when I was heavy off into collecting Invicta watches, man, watching the shows, and they would always ask, hey, if you could have a watch your way, what would you want? Like, what type of watch? And I'm like, hey, because you guys have a collaboration with Shaq and the Major League Baseball League and all of these different entities, I was like, man, can y'all get one with Hasbro? Because I would love to have a Transformer watch. Never happened, never happened. And I've seen some Transformer watches before, but you know, I mean, it's too kiddie. Some of them were like extremely kiddie. I'm like, okay, a medallion on the back of it, just imagine, if you will, a medallion on the back of the watch that has a particular Autobot, you know, like the top 5, right? You know, you got your Optimus Prime, your Ironhide, or if you into Megatron Starscream, I'm a Starscream fan. You know, have that and then have like power level on the back or something, right? And just that colorway on the front, super dope. But luckily for me, I do have watches that do remind me of some Transformers that I actually own, man. So they're in no particular order, but these are some of my favorite watches that remind me of a particular Transformer. And yo, it should not come to any surprise for any of you guys what I'm gonna say first.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
Oh, you better believe it, boy. That Devastator, man. I've been calling this Devastator from the jump. Okay. Now I know some gonna say, hey, bro, that's an angry tennis ball. Yeah, yep. But for this episode, this is Devastator.
Constructicons, show them your might and form Devastator! All right, exit!
This watch, G-Shock, very controversial, and it disrupted the internet for about 2 or 3 weeks. Man, it was people posting stuff like, oh, I can't stand it. You either loved it or hated it. And I absolutely love this watch. Hold up, I gotta put it on. Look at this thing, man. It's so bright. I mean, it's bright outside. It's it's exactly 6 o'clock right now, right? And this thing, you know, of course I have on, this is like the Statue of Liberty right here, but that's for another episode. But this right here, imagine, to get you some of that, get all up in that thing. Yes, I know some people absolutely despise this watch, man, but it's okay. It's okay because 1, it's G-Shock. 2, you could beat the brakes off of it. The hands even pop off if they do come out. It's magnetic, man. Like, dude, Cybertronium. That's what this thing has, man. Cybertronium, man. Y'all know nothing about that, man. So, my next watch, yeah, y'all gonna feel me. If y'all know anything about Transformers, you're gonna feel me on this next piece.
We now return to the Transformers.
Okay, so peep game. Now, there are a number of companies out there, micro brands, and there's some that fall by the wayside. But this is one that's coming out of New York that most people you should know. And if you don't know, for those that you have abandoned that whole small watch phase, you said, no, I will never let go of my large watch. Let me introduce you to one. Deep Blue, aka Ultra Magnus.
Radio Prime for reinforcements.
What about me, Magnus? What about me? I can help. I want to help. What about me?
Blur, you can help me alert the others.
Absolutely, positively, definitely. Nobody can get the job done faster than I can. Nobody.
Come on, RC, let's go.
Now, Ultra Magnus, I had this Transformer, and he's one of my favorite Transformers, man. Underrated, man. You got to read the comic book, man, because the cartoon don't do him justice. But this watch right here, why I call it Ultra Magnus? Because like Ultra Magnus colorway is red, white, and blue. And what do we have on the back? A freaking flag, baby, a flag. And yesterday was 9/11 Memorial, and man, dude, I remember what I was doing during 9/11. Still a tragic experience, man, but dude, it's nothing like the red, white, and blue. And that right there, even though it got the wave patterns, and he's not an aquatic Transformer, man. He is in a leadership role, or somewhat of a leadership role, right? His confidence is kind of wanes a little bit, but overall, massive Optimus Prime augmentation. And that's pretty much what, come on, man. Like, if you had the toy, you know it was the white Optimus Prime, and then it formed into the, y'all know. Y'all already know what it is. But let me tell you this thing, this is deep blue. And it's reminiscent of something, you see that crown up there? Helium escape valve. Swiss made piece. This is called, actually, technical name for this watch is the Juggernaut. But it is like 44 millimeter robustness, and this is my fix for, I don't want to get rid of any of my larger watches. And that's it on the wrist, man. Look at the thing, man. I feel like a freaking hero, boy. Dude, I feel it, man. I'm telling you.
Ultra Magnus.
Drop those supplies off in the West Depot. Notify Optimus Prime.
It's just a beautiful watch. One of my favorite watches that I haven't posted, but like, it's just a guilty pleasure to wear these things, man. Hold up, man. Oh, yeah, you heard it. You heard it. So, yes, this is my deep blue Juggernaut, AKA Ultra Magnus.
The Transformers will return after these messages.
Okay, so this next one, man. Okay, you see the scale. Look how massive this is. This is our downtown. This is our downtown. But just imagine if this whole entire area, hold up, and they're doing construction over here, right? But imagine if all of this structure, that right there, all of this, and then some, can do one of these numbers. So if you haven't figured it out, I coined this watch. I gave it a nickname. I was calling it Time Fortress, but then what some of you guys know is the Rangemaster 2 by none other than Mark from Long Island Watches and TGV, the Urban Gentry. If I had to model this watch, which I am from here on out, this is now called the Metroplex. Yes, bro, look at all of the angles. This thing is a city of robustness. This thing, oh, hold on, man, let me put this thing on the wrist, man. Because I don't think y'all understand. If I haven't told you guys that I absolutely adore this watch, this is one of my favorite watches of all time. Of all the watches I have, this is one of my most worn watches. It just fits the bill. And I understand, if you look, or hold up, if you listen to Mark and TGV sitting in the park and they're talking about the watch, that's great. I love the presentation, not taking nothing away from it. But all that fades away when I got the watch and I put it on. I make my own determination on what I like and what I consider to be stellar. But this watch is it. And this, if I had to say anything, this is the Metroplex.
mobile assault mode.
Following Ultra Magnus's command, the newly activated Metroplex is now ready for his first mission.
This watch right here is my Metroplex, and I don't even know if they got any available still. I don't know. If they do, I'm gonna tell you, go over there, check it out, see how much it is, because I know the last time I checked, the price was reduced. And if there's any available, New York is coming up on the 16th. Go out to Wind Up, New York, which is the mecca of all of them, from what I hear. I've never been to it, but I plan on it. I'll see you guys there. But yes, that is my reimagined watch collection of 3. And in the next one, I'll go ahead and tell y'all. We're going to the Marvel Universe, baby. The Marvel Universe. So what in my collection would I consider to be a Marvel character? Spoiler alert, the Hulk isn't in it. Nope, the Hulk isn't in it. So, all right, ladies and gentlemen, I got to finish my walk. Currently, y'all see this on it? That's where I walked. That's how far I walked. Currently, right now. That's my steps. If you was following me on Instagram, yeah, y'all know where I started from. So, all right, I've been talking for long enough. Appreciate you guys for watching, man. Thank you for spending time with me, man. I know your time is valuable, baby. Yeah, I'm about to get up out of here. I'm about to enjoy the rest of my watches, the rest of this day. Y'all be blessed.